Welcome to Mysticism, the Masterclass. In this video, we explore the secret architecture of human transcendence and the reasons behind the so-called God-shaped hole in our brains. Many people adopt worldviews based on falsehoods. The rationalist often hides behind cynicism, calling it all nonsense, while the spiritual consumer masks their approach with the arrogance of believing they are already awake. True ancient mysteries demanded deep sacrifice, but today they are often reduced to a monthly subscription model. Your brain often struggles to distinguish between rare, transformative knowledge and commodified content. Often, the ego seeks a spiritual upgrade with a verified checkmark rather than actual ego death. When you meditate, your shadow may be running the show while you simply watch the performance. Neuroscience suggests that the sensation of a divine presence may be linked to the right temporal lobe. It is not necessarily a glitch, but a feature hardwired into human biology for over 200,000 years. For millennia, the greatest minds understood that unearned revelation can be overwhelming to the unprepared. They guarded certain truths, not because they were exclusive, but because they understood the fragility of the human mind. The underlying algorithms of the human experience haven't changed in 200,000 years. Whether it's a prehistoric trance or a modern spiritual product, the core desire to dissolve the self for the sake of the tribe remains. Modern spiritual industries often treat you as a revenue stream, thriving on your status as a perpetual seeker. True transformation, however, is not something that can be bought. While profound experiences may be real, the stories we create about them are often interpretations tailored by the ego. We translate raw, intense events into a vocabulary that matches our existing narratives. We often find ourselves acting as collectors, accumulating books, retreats, and experiences, rather than true seekers. The silence we need to uncover is often the only thing we leave unopened. Mysticism could be considered an exhaust fume of our civilization. The same cognitive engine that allows us to build complex nations, money, and language also provides the capacity to imagine the divine. Your nervous system is the hardware. The ritual is the code. We often try to convert experiential transformation into simple information, but true change requires undergoing the process, not just reading about it. Evolution uses shared secrets to build strong bonds. In an age of radical transparency, we may have the followers, but we often lack the deeper, whispered connections that forge real meaning. The price of truly seeing is acknowledging everything you currently think you are. You have been searching for the seeker, but the seeker is the sought. Perhaps it is time to stop looking. Ultimately, the mystery is not a puzzle to be solved, but the ground beneath your feet. Sit down, be present, and embrace the stillness. If this video resonated with you, consider sharing it with a fellow seeker.